Hi, I'm Antonia from AOK Creative, and it doesn't matter what size business you have, a clear set of brand guidelines will be an essential starting point for any collateral or promotional work you develop. It doesn't have to be a 50-page encyclopedia, but it should offer 5 essential elements: a guide on how to use your logo, a list of what fonts you use, a breakdown of your corporate colors, some image samples, your icons, and any infographics you're using. Having that as a starting point will save you time and graphic heartache when you are briefing a supplier about creative work. Let me give you a quick example. I was recently asked to design a report for a client, which is a simple enough project. I gave them 3 concepts to consider, however their feedback gave me pause. They weren't happy with my image choices, the logo was in the wrong position, and the fonts weren't right. This was a client that had no brand guidelines or any brand reference that they could refer me to, but apparently had a very strong view of their look and feel. I suggested it was time to develop a brand guideline. The client was about to redevelop their website and could now use the guideline to brief their developer, which instantly gave them greater value out of their investment. Without a set of guidelines, a simple project will end up taking longer and cost more. After all, you are letting the person who is designing the work make decisions about the look and feel of your brand. That is fine if you want a fresh look and you don't mind your designer flexing their creative muscle, as that's what we love to do. Now, at what stage of business do you need brand guidelines? You certainly don't need one if your only visual communication is a business card. But when you're about to develop a website, a presentation, or a brochure, it's definitely time to bring all your assets together and create a quick set of guidelines. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to me on Facebook or LinkedIn, or leave a comment below. I love seeing your comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this with people that are important to you.